Hello, this is Mark Dombrowski, enrolled agent with True Resolve Tax Professionals with a very quick IRS update for the summer of 2023. The IRS has announced that as of July 24th, 2023, revenue officers and revenue agents, the revenue agents are the ones who do audits, revenue officers are the ones who do collections, will no longer be randomly knocking on people's doors. So this is a win-lose, and I say that because as a person who helps people with the IRS, I'll be honest that without revenue officers knocking on your door per se, they're not going to be pushing collections heavy on you, and therefore you'll be in a situation where you might not pay your taxes or reach out for a representative for help. And that's part of what these videos are for, is to tell you the realities, do-it-yourself type thing, as to what's going on with the IRS. So this is an IRS announcement. It's an IR 2023-133. That is the reference where the IRS is saying that they're no longer having random revenue officers come out to people's offices, businesses. Now, revenue officers are still there. They're still going to have the cases. They're still going to try to set up an appointment for your convenience. Maybe you want to meet at your office. Maybe you want to meet at your home. Maybe you want to meet at the IRS's office. Maybe you don't want to meet at all. If you don't want to meet at all, you come hire me. And that's also a key here too, right? So they're still going to be doing seizures and stuff where they do have to do so. If a building's being seized or a bunch of vehicles at a business are being seized, then they still need to come out on location, obviously, to physically seize those vehicles. They don't need to, they can mail out a wage levy or an income levy or a bank account levy. All that stuff comes from the safety of their own home if you were an IRS person. So there's going to be a lot more federal employees working out of their homes, working out of their offices. And I'd have to say this is sort of a combination of the pandemic, the lessons that the Internal Revenue Service learned from having all of their people working out of their houses. I don't want to say all of their people, but the vast majority of collections people were working out of their homes. They learned that they could still do it. I mean, that's what it comes down to, is that they can still have effective tax administration. I disagree slightly in that revenue officers knocking on doors generally means income and my phone ringing. So just as a summary, as of this summer, we don't have all of those random face-to-face audit people or, more importantly, IRS revenue officers coming to knock on your door. Well, our number here is 720-319-8954. Again, that number operators are standing by. 720 area code 319-8954. You can reach me at Mark with a C, M-A-R-C, Mark Dombrowski, EA @gmail.com. Thanks.